In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly to enhance your writing and ensure originality with its AI detection and plagiarism checking features. Whether you're a student working on an essay, a professional crafting an important email, or just someone who loves writing, Grammarly can be an invaluable tool in your arsenal. So let's dive right in and explore how you can maximize its potential. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Grammarly's website. If you haven't already created an account, take a moment to do so. Just a simple sign-up process using your email, or you can even use your Google account to speed things up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the Grammarly dashboard, which is a central hub for all your writing projects. There you can start new documents, upload existing ones, or continue working on something you've drafted previously. Now let's say you've got a piece of text you want to check. You'll want to open up a new document within Grammarly. This is where all the magic happens. You can either start typing directly into this space, or you can copy and paste text from a document you have elsewhere. As soon as your text is in this window, Grammarly begins analyzing it. You'll see suggestions popping up that help in correcting grammar, enhancing style, and improving clarity, all in real time. At this point, you'll notice on the upper right-hand side of the interface, there's a button labeled Correct with Assistant. Clicking this will bring up a range of features. Among these, there's one particularly powerful tool that checks your content for AI-generated text and plagiarism. By selecting this option, Grammarly does a deeper dive into your material, scanning for unusual patterns or content that might be seen as not original. This is a fantastic feature for ensuring that your work is unique, as it scrutinizes the text to confirm authenticity and aligns it with integrity standards. And just like that, you are done. Once you're satisfied with your document and all Grammarly's suggestions have been considered, you can rest assured knowing your writing is polished, your grammar impeccable, and your content authentically yours. Plus, with the added AI detection feature, you're a step ahead in maintaining the originality of your work. It's important to remember that while Grammarly is an excellent tool, it doesn't substitute personal judgment and common sense. Always read through the suggestions it provides to ensure they make sense in context. So go ahead, give it a try. Experience how Grammarly can revolutionize the way you write. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.